Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your PS5 keyboard not working. First, ensure your keyboard's USB cable is firmly connected to a PS5 USB port. Next, perform a quick power cycle. Unplug your PlayStation 5 and the keyboard, wait about 10 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, try using a different USB port on your console. Sometimes, a specific port might be faulty. These initial checks often resolve simple connection glitches. Now let's check your software and settings. Make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Go to your PS5 settings, then Accessories, and confirm your keyboard input settings are configured correctly. If you're using a Bluetooth keyboard, try unpairing it from the console and then repairing it. This often refreshes the connection and resolves recognition problems. For more persistent issues, consider rebuilding your PlayStation 5's database. Boot your console into safe mode and select the Rebuild Database option. This can fix underlying system errors. Crucially, test your keyboard on another device, such as a personal computer, to ensure the keyboard itself isn't faulty. If it works elsewhere, the issue is likely with your PS5. If you have another keyboard, try connecting it to your PS5 to see if it functions. If you've tried all these steps and your PS5 keyboard is still not working, it's time to contact PlayStation support. They can offer further diagnostics or guide you through advanced solutions. Before reaching out, check your console's warranty information. You might be eligible for a repair or replacement. When you speak with support, clearly explain all the troubleshooting steps you've already completed to help them assist you more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.